I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford death wobble. First, understand that this is a serious safety issue, not just a minor annoyance. It's a violent, uncontrollable shaking of your truck's front end, usually triggered by hitting a bump at highway speeds. This can be incredibly frightening and dangerous, making it crucial to address immediately. We'll cover the common causes and effective solutions to get your Ford driving safely again. The death wobble often stems from a combination of factors. Worn or loose steering components like tie rod ends or ball joints are frequent offenders. A faulty track bar, especially with worn bushings or loose mounting bolts, is another major cause. Don't overlook tire issues either. Unbalanced tires or incorrect alignment can exacerbate the problem, leading to that terrifying shake. We'll explore how to inspect these areas. Diagnosing the death wobble requires a careful inspection. Start by safely lifting the front of your Ford off the ground. With the wheels off, meticulously check every steering and suspension component. Look for any looseness, wear, or damage in your ball joints, tie rod ends, and especially the track bar. Even a small amount of play can trigger the wobble, so be thorough in your assessment. Once you've identified the culprits, the fix usually involves replacing the worn or damaged parts. This might include new ball joints, tie rod ends, or a complete track bar assembly. For long-term prevention, consider upgrading to heavy-duty steering and suspension components, especially if you frequently drive off-road or tow. Proper tire balancing and regular alignments are also key. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable on your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.